as it begins to get colder in an area where you live, maybe you live in the Northern Hemisphere, then you might be continue to walk outdoors, but it's getting colder. So you may be thinking of putting your hands in your pockets or wearing gloves. And my suggestion would be, if you're working on keeping your shoulders strong yet mobile, is to make sure that you wear gloves so that you can allow your arms to swing back and forth as we walk. First one, I was swinging my arms as I walked. And the second one, my hands were in my pockets, and you could see that my arms were still. If your arms are still while you're walking, then it's not going to encourage the slight rotation in your spine that makes movement more efficient as you walk. And it's not going to keep the shoulders nice and mobile going forward. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'll see you in the next video.